Hello and welcome, or should I say namaste, because today we're here to talk about meditation. Meditation is practiced by millions across the globe, across religions and various cultures. Some use it for relaxation, others to clear their minds. Some even use it to awaken their deeper consciousness. But what exactly does meditation mean? And how can we use these practices in our daily life? We're here to find out exactly that today, because here in our studio we have with us a very famous yogi all the way from Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala, Shri Yogi Santosh Swamiji, or as he's popularly known, Shri Satyamamuni. A brilliant personality, a simple lifestyle, a devotee of God Maruti. Over the last 50 years, Swamiji has gone through many stages of meditation and spirituality. Prudent Media managed to catch up with the Swamiji as he is here in Goa on a very short visit. Swamiji, namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome to the studio.
Welcome.
We also have with us Mrs. Brinda Shrikumar, MD of the Excel Group of Schools in Kanyakumari. Madam, namaste.
Namaste.
All right, so let's get straight to it. Swamiji, I have tried to meditate many times, but it is not as easy as it sounds. So what is the first thing that somebody like me should be doing if I want to get into meditation?
Namaste. എല്ലാ ദിവ്യ ആത്മാക്കൾക്കും നമസ്കാരം.
I tried to meditate many times, but I am unable to do. Why? So the answer Swami said is, meditation to be learned with the proper guru. So only guru knows the karmic effect, that means the previous birth, all the effects of previous birth, and the known guru will remove that or guide how to come out of that. Then Swami, the guru will teach you the meditation. So that is the answer for the first question. Then meditation means we get a lot of thoughts. That thoughts, we have to come out of the thoughts and get calmness in mind and happiness in mind. That is the basic of meditation.
And are there different types of meditation?
പല ടൈപ്പിലുള്ള മെഡിറ്റേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. അതിനകത്ത് ഇപ്പോൾ തന്നെ അഘോരി സമ്പ്രദായത്തിലുള്ള മെഡിറ്റേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്, മന്ത്ര മെഡിറ്റേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്, ചക്രാസ് മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ ഉണ്ട്, വാസി യോഗയുണ്ട്, ക്രിയായോഗയുണ്ട്. ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള പലതരം മെഡിറ്റേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ നമുക്ക് അനുയോജ്യമായ ഒരു മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ നമുക്ക് ഈശ്വരാനുഗ്രഹത്തിൽ കിട്ടുക, അതാണ് ഏറ്റവും വലിയൊരു കാര്യം. നല്ലൊരു ഗുരുവിനെ കിട്ടുക, അതാണ് നല്ലൊരു കാര്യം. നമ്മൾ പല മെഡിറ്റേഷൻസിലും പോയിട്ട് കുറേശ്ശെ പഠിച്ചിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല. ഒരു സ്ഥലത്ത് തന്നെ ഉറച്ചു നിൽക്കുക. നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിൽ
meditation with the blessing of Guru and Almighty alone can happen. Then Guru must know, Gurus will know what is required for the Shishya. For example, one person's shirt can't be worn by another one. So meditation differs for different people. And there are a lot of different varieties of types of meditation. Agori meditation, Kriya meditation, Vasi meditation, Vasi yoga, and so many types of meditation. Okay, Chakra meditations, and a lot of meditations are there that the Guru has to select according to the devotee or the Shishya and fix that to the particular person. Then it will be definitely successful. Another point Swami said is, see, we should not dig so many pits. If we want water, we have to go deep into, continuously we have to dig, then we will get water. We will get fresh water to drink. Like that, some people are roaming here and there, getting different types of meditations. They try for some meditation for a short time, then going to another person. That should not happen. They have to discuss with the Guru and continue long working for meditation, then definitely it will be successful. So meditation, common people's meditation are different. That can easily be practiced, but those who really want to go into spiritual life and meditate spiritually, definitely like Gurukulas, Sishyas have to keep in contact with the Guru and get the right guidance. Definitely all the miracles and siddhis they will gain due to that meditation.
Okay, so I think what you're trying to say is that you need a proper guru to help guide me meditate. But what about, I mean, nowadays we have so many apps on our phones. They claim to help you meditate. What are your thoughts on that?
അങ്ങനെ ഒരിക്കലും മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്
There are different stages in meditation. So it is dangerous. It is really very powerful. So when a particular person is meditating by listening to someone's words, if it is true, if he is able to touch the chakras, definitely there will be a lot of changes. So that is, since it is very powerful, it may lead to some mental disturbances. So definitely a guru must be there to guide. When we will share the experiences with the guru can really correct and guide. So 100% a guru is really required to learn real meditation.
So you do not recommend the apps at all?
അപ്പോൾ മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരാൾക്ക് തന്നെ ഒരുപക്ഷെ രാത്രി ഉറക്കം വന്നില്ല എന്ന് വരാം. ഉറക്കങ്ങളില്ലാതിരുന്നിട്ട് അത് മെൻ്റലിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ അതെന്താണ് കാരണം എന്ന് ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ശിഷ്യൻ സംസാരിച്ചാൽ മാത്രമേ ഗുരുവിന് അത് കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് പോകാൻ സാധിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. ഒരു ദർശനമുണ്ടായി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു വിഷൻ ഉണ്ടായി, ആ വിഷൻ കറക്റ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അയാൾക്ക് സൂയിസൈഡ് ടെൻഡൻസിയൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാകും. അപ്പോൾ അതെല്ലാം ഗുരു തന്നെ കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കൊണ്ടുപോകണം. നല്ല ഗുരുക്കന്മാർ തന്നെ മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ സ്വീകരിക്കണം. മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ ഞാൻ ഉറപ്പിച്ച് പറയുന്നു, നിങ്ങളുടെ ലൈഫ് മാറ്റിമറിക്കും. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാം പോസിറ്റീവായി മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും. നിങ്ങൾ പറയുന്നത് മാത്രമേ ഇവിടെ നടക്കത്തുള്ളൂ. അതാണ് മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ പവർ.
So meditation, sometimes when we meditate, it will make sleeplessness. We will not be able to sleep.
Okay.
Understand? Such situations will arise when we meditate. So when someone meditates by reading the books or listening the YouTubes, so sometimes if they are touching the chakras, because it is basically breathing and those things, sometimes it will cause sleeplessness and it is very dangerous, and sometimes they may get visions.
Okay.
Some different types of visions. So at that time the Shishya has to discuss with the Guru and clear it. But if it is done in YouTube, where will we go?
You do not have anybody to guide you.
Yeah, so it is definitely a Guru's guidance is required. Moreover, Swami is saying that this is meditation is so powerful, it will give a lot of positive energy, positivity for all the human beings. So it is wonderful, it is highly energetic. So Swami is really proud to be a guru. I feel that he is
And guiding students. Would you say that meditation would benefit a student in their academics?
So nowadays the children have a lot to study, not like before. So syllabus is becoming vast and a lot of activities. So they really do not have time to proper rest.
True.
So it affects the children a lot mentally because of lack of rest
and coping mechanisms.
Yes. So definitely Swami says that if the children are meditating 10 minutes, minimum of 10 minutes, so the brain will be calming down a little bit and the thoughts, disturbing thoughts will get reduced and they will get high energy. They can spend the whole day very effectively and they are able to concentrate in all the activities what they are doing. So definitely it helps the children, especially they are in the student age. It is highly essential and highly effective for the students to practice meditation even for 10 minutes.
What about our youth, say people in their 20s or their 30s, with this fast-paced corporate life? What benefits would meditation grant them?
So this is the fast life, like a train moving very fast. People are running after that. There is no time to rest, proper rest, and no proper time to think about them. So they are rushing like this, right? The world is like that. We have to day and night working, very fast working a lot. So this meditation definitely helps them a lot to think about them and getting a lot of positive energy. These people, young people, really they do not have time, right? Even when they are studying, they are going on with that. Even working people also the same. Definitely if they find out sometimes to practice meditation, they will be getting a lot of positivity, positive energy, and they can really lead a very, very happy life, because these thoughts and stress will be reduced a lot. Mind will be calming down. So it helps a lot to come out of all these things. They can enjoy the life.
Swami, you spoke about mental benefits. Now, diabetes and heart disease are two of the biggest ailments in the country. Does meditation have an effect on our physical selves as well?
Swami said that by pranayams and meditation and yoga, by practicing these things, our mind becomes very calm. So when mind becomes very calm, the secretions, the level, it changes, and the lung power also increases. More oxygen supply is given to the body, so the internal organs start working in the right way. So better. So definitely these pranayams, yoga and meditations help to come out of especially this blood pressure. So we experience a lot, because within seconds or within minutes we will be able to reduce the blood pressure of a patient using pranayams. So it is something really possible, and even doctors, they know about it personally, how this oxygen supply more stimulates and making to work the internal organs in a better way. Then Swami said about chakras. Chakras, there are a lot of chakras. Chakras means energy points. Or in the body. The sages, yogis, they know it very well. But for the common people, the basically we say 7 chakras. So basic chakra, first one, that is at the base, that is the root, and it is called as Kundalini also. Then it's 6 chakra, then navel chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, ajna chakra, and crown chakra. These are the basic common chakras, all the yogis they say. So through meditation, a good guru can teach how to heal the chakras, right? So by that, by healing, even the guru can heal, or after learning, the person can heal himself. So the healing plays a very important role in meditation, so that also a guru can guide properly.
എക്സാമ്പിൾ പറയുവാണെങ്കിൽ, ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരാൾക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് ദുഃഖം വരുന്നു, ഭയങ്കരമായ കരച്ചിൽ വരുന്നു, മെഡിറ്റേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഒരേ കരച്ചിൽ, അങ്ങനെ വരുവാണെങ്കിൽ അത് ഹാർട്ട് ചക്ര പ്രോബ്ലം ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഹാർട്ട് ചക്ര ഗുരുവുമായിട്ട് കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഹാർട്ട് ചക്ര കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ഓരോ ചക്രാസിനൊരു മന്ത്രാസ് ഉണ്ട്. ആ മന്ത്രാസ് ദീക്ഷയായിട്ട് തന്നെ ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ സ്വീകരിച്ചിട്ട് അത് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ഇത് മാറും. നമുക്ക് ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ദുഃഖം, മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ദുഃഖം. അപ്പോൾ ഹാർട്ട് ചക്ര ആണ് അതിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഹാർട്ട് ചക്ര ഗുരു കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അത് നമുക്ക് മാറും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പണപരമായ പ്രശ്നം, മണി പ്രോബ്ലംസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മണിപ്പൂര ചക്രമാണ്. മണിപ്പൂര ചക്രം കൂടുതൽ ആക്ടിവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ആ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് എല്ലാം മാറും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ആൾക്കാരുമായിട്ട് നമുക്കൊരു സ്നേഹമില്ല, ബന്ധമില്ല എന്നൊരവസ്ഥ വരുന്നതൊക്കെ മൂലാധാര ചക്രം, റൂട്ട് ചക്ര വീക്കായി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരുപാട് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് വരും. ആക്റ്റീവ് ആകത്തില്ല, ഫുള്ള് ഇങ്ങനെ മടിച്ച് ക്ഷീണിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന അവസ്ഥ, ഉറക്കം വരുന്ന അവസ്ഥ, ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരുപാട് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ചക്രസായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടായിരിക്കുന്നത്.
So chakras are very important in the body. Especially some people will be crying often, right? For silly things, simple things they cry. So that shows that their heart chakra is weak.
Love problem ഉണ്ടാവും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ.
Yeah, those persons can easily fall in love with others. So we have to strengthen that. There is meditation and some mantras, special words, special sounds to vibrate that chakra. So that is one thing. Then even money problem, there will be a lot of money problem to someone. That is related to navel chakra. Yes, navel chakra. and there also that yogis can give guidance how to stimulate and come out of those problems. And if the basic chakra is not strong enough, so relationships won't stay. They can't get into good contact with people. So that shows that this basic chakra is weak. So in such a way it goes on. So a guru or a yogi really who knows all these things and get into contact with, if a particular person who is meditating is discussing with the guru and often getting into contact with the guru and sharing experiences, definitely guru can guide how to clear this, how to strengthen these chakras and lead a very happy and positive life. Third eye chakra is the most powerful. All the chakras are powerful, but for ordinary life, third eye chakra is very, very essential, because if someone practices third eye meditation very correctly, whatever we want, it will happen. For example, Swami says, if the person who meditates on third eye definitely can stop even the rain, and we can bring rain. This is an example. So whatever we want, we will get. All the positivity we can get through the third eye. I want this, meditate, and Swami taught some techniques. So where to concentrate, what to do, etc. So definitely it will make positive energy, and we can achieve whatever we want if we meditate really on third eye.
Okay.
That is Ajna Chakra.
Now, with meditation being so powerful, can we lead a normal life? What about diet? Is there any specific diet that we need to follow?
No.
There is no relationship with the food and non-veg food and meditation, because if you are interested, if you feel tasty, you can eat that. Usually there is a talk that while meditating we should not eat non-veg, but I never recommend that. But the fact is, we should not overload or overfill the stomach with the food. It should be half filled, right? So it will be easy for meditating. That's the only thing. God did not say, or Prakriti, nature didn't say, don't eat this, that. So everything goes in, and if we feel comfortable and if we feel energetic, whatever you want, you can eat. People, when we meditate, we have to go to foreign countries or other places, so always we can't depend on vegetarian food. Those who wish to be vegetarian, you can eat. If not, there is no harm in eating. I am a grahastha, that means I am leading a family life. So I recommend definitely the non-veg. Even doctors recommend that it should be healthy protein and vitamins we are getting for getting balanced diet. So our Swami definitely encourages to be very, very healthy, because often Swami says, quotes Swami Vivekananda is quoting, once a very thin, weak boy met Swami Vivekananda and said, Swami, please teach me meditation. Swami said, first you go out, play football, eat well, make your body fit, then only you will be able to meditate. So Swami always recommends his sishyas to take very healthy food, whatever you like.
Kalbhagam Aharam, Kalbhagam Jalam, കാൽഭാഗം എയർ. ഈ അവസ്ഥയെ നമ്മൾ കൊണ്ടുപോവുക. ഇതുമായിട്ട് യാതൊരുവിധ ബന്ധവും നോൺ വെജോ വെജോ.
So mainly the answer is in our mind. If we feel that I don't want to eat, it is not good, don't eat. If you feel that it is fine to me, eat. That's it. I eat regularly whenever possible, even though I don't like. My doctors recommended to take fish and chicken a little bit. So I take, but I meditate. I am getting very good experiences, beautiful experiences. I am getting a lot of positivity.
Swami, just earlier you spoke about certain words, certain chants that the Swamis give to their students. I think I've heard the term. Is it called mantra diksha?
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about?
Mantram മന്നാൾ ത്രേരേ ഇതി മന്ത്ര. നിരന്തരമായ അർത്ഥവിചാരം കൊണ്ട് ഒരാളുടെ മനസ്സിന് മാറ്റമുണ്ടാക്കുന്നത് അതോ മന്ത്ര. മന്ത്രം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ബീജാക്ഷരങ്ങളുണ്ട്. ആ ബീജാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ ഒരുപാട് വൈബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയിൽ.
Mantra Diksha means,
ഇപ്പോൾ
first Swami split it into two. One is what is mantras and another is Diksha. Mantra means a sound. That sound makes a lot of vibration into ourselves, into others. For example, if we are very angry and shout at others, the feeling what the other person get is different. And the same person, we are very affectionately smiling and speaking to them. So the feeling what we get is different. The sound, only the sound we are using, the sound affects. Right? The words in the form of sound, it can console, it can love, and it can harm. So same way, mantras means it is being created to praise the gods and goddesses by the Maharishis. It is written. So continuously when we chant it, it gives a lot of positive energy. It is pleasing, and whatever they want to get, they will get through mantras also. And mantra diksha means a guru who is very pious, who is an expert, and in terms mantra siddhar. Usually so many lakhs of time a particular person is chanting mantra, is when they will be getting mantra siddhi. So mantra siddhi means siddhas, they will become siddhas, very efficient in that. Those persons they are able to give diksha. Diksha means a blessing. And for example, our guru is giving diksha means they can give in three ways. One is through the eyes, that is Nayana Diksha, Swami is saying. Then another one through the chanting through the ears, some mantras that should not be heard to anyone. Then another through fingers, by touching. So these three ways a particular guru can pass mantras to the shishyas. Otherwise, maybe by the time energy is being passed from the guru, because he has so many lakhs of times chanted the mantra and had energy. That energy is passed to the shishya with that mantra. So easily we will get the energy also. Energy flow will be higher to us. That is called mantra disha.
Swami, one last question. You are also an expert astrologist. So what is your opinion on horoscope, and how does it affect our life? Does it really affect our life?
ഹൊറോസ്കോപ്പ് ഒരു കുട്ടി ജനിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് തന്നെ നവഗ്രഹങ്ങളെ സാദൃശ്യപ്പെടുത്തി ഒരു ലഗ്നം, അതായത് ആ കുട്ടി ജനിക്കുന്നതായ ഒരു ബിന്ദു, ആ ബിന്ദുവിനെ ലഗ്നം എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. ആ ലഗ്നത്തിലേക്ക് ആ കുട്ടി ജനിച്ചു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ അതിൽ ബാക്കി വരുന്ന 12 രാശികളിൽ നിൽക്കുന്ന ഗ്രഹങ്ങളെ നമ്മൾ കൃത്യമായിട്ട് ഗണിച്ച് എഴുതുന്ന സമ്പ്രദായത്തെ ജാതകമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കണക്കാക്കാം. ഈ ജാതകം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കുട്ടിയെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് കർമ്മഫലമാണ്. ഒരു കുട്ടി ജനിക്കുന്നത് തന്നെ കുംഭീന്ദ്ര നരകം എന്ന് പറയും, അമ്മയുടെ വയറ്റിൽ ഒരു നരകമാണ്. അവിടെയാണ് ആ കുട്ടി
is born with a lot of disease, and after birth immediately the child gets dying, right? Child dies. All these things happens because of the previous birth, all the pava punyam, all the good things what we did before and what the bad things we did before in the previous birth, not now, right? So Swami is saying that according to the good deeds and bad deeds we did in the previous birth, we are getting birth. Even getting birth into the mother's stomach, it is the tough, means it's a difficult thing. See, it's referred as hell. For 10 months it should be, the baby has to undergo a lot of difficulties. It is said in the darkness. Yeah, it is called as Naragam. Naragam means hell. So the reason is, even when we born as human being, we have to, we born to reduce our sins of the previous birth, right? Then ultimately without birth we have to merge with God. That is the aim. When a child is born, at the time we note the time of birth and write the horoscope of the child. That is very important, especially most of the people do. Yeah, there is a special time, special point. At the time 9 planets affect the particular baby in one way. I do not know in depth. Swami knows very well. So that definitely affects. So if there is any problem, we can definitely consult with a person who is really an expert in horoscope. And Swami says that Kumbakonam in Vaidishwaran Koil, they check Nadi, that is called as Nadi Jolshyam. So really that is very good. They give the very clear cut idea, and we can meet such people, those who are really good at that. And we can find out the reason why. Is there any real problem in that horoscope? Then they will suggest some remedies, and if we follow that, definitely we will be gradually, we will be able to come out of those problems.
Okay, I think that's all the time we have for today, Swamiji. Thank you so much with all that was spoken here today. So meditation, as we've just learned, is something that anyone and everyone can do. Its therapeutic effects are well known, they are well documented. But how many of us actually meditate? Every day, once a week, even at all? As we've just learned, the benefits of meditation are many, and as Swami has recommended, we need to make meditation an integral part of our daily lives. So if you were inspired by our talks today, Swami will be back in Goa at the end of this month for a very special workshop. Why not attend and derive the benefits of meditation for yourself? Until then, this is Heather saying goodbye for now. Namaste.